Alrighty. Good morning, YouTube.
JWN Nordstrom teams up with Fanatics to expand into licensed sports fan product category for first time.
Uh-oh.
Juliet Whiskey November, JWN.
Uh,
EXAS, Exact Sciences, and Jefferson Health commence collaboration on multi-cancer earlier detection. That's Echo X-ray Alpha Sandy, EXAS. VINP, Vinci Partners,
okay.
partnership with new strategy and renewable energy sector. That's Victor India November Papa, VINP.
All right. Uh, oh, wow. Okay. You know what? I have asked every, um, I have asked every barber that I've ever gone to please cut my hair short or to please like leave some length. And I don't know what it is. They just look at me and they're like, no, and they do what they want. So this has been a like, I don't hate it. It's not it's not my cut. I have to admit. I mean, it looks good, but it's not my. I'm usually not this aerodynamic. I'll put it that way. So usually like a little bit more drag. Oh, gosh. All right. All righty. Cool. All righty. So, have you just dandy? No. I'll check them out right now though. Said new jabbies, jazz hop. All right, I'm playing it now, brother.
Here's my answer. I'm going to click the correct suggestions.
Jazzy. Alrighty. Good morning, everybody. Oh, it's got lyrics though. The lyrics will feed over to my mic, unfortunately. No, Nova did it. Alrighty, so let's go ahead. Let's get starting with the morning. What's up, everybody? Good morning, good morning, good morning.
GSK, GlaxoSmithKline, showcases progress from DREAM clinical trial program in multiple myeloma at ASH meeting. That's Dolph Sandy Kilo, GSK.
All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and start off with our morning news call, of course. So futures, For the NASDAQ, we're actually going to turn over to SPY. Take a look at what's going on here in pre-market. In response to those numbers. So futures for the Nasdaq rose as chipmaker Nvidia rallied on strong third quarter earnings, while the S&P and Dow futures pretty much showed mild recovery from inflation-related losses sustained this week. European shares were little changed as the weakness in commodity-related stocks overshadowed upbeat earnings. In Asia, equity markets losses in the metaverse-related shares and property developers dragged China stocks lower, while Japan's shares eased with cyclicals and oil companies leading the decline.
Can you come move this trash into the truck?
Hold on one second.
Can you move it?
ISUN, iSun announcing 2022 revenue guidance of $165 million. India Sandy uniform November. That's ISUN. Shares of iSun now spiking here, $9.16. That's India Sandy uniform November. That's up $1.18 now on that guidance from the company. India Sandy uniform November ISUN.
Sorry about that, everybody. uh, yeah. I don't even want to talk about it. That's irritating. All right. Sorry. Good morning, Kanye. What's up, y'all? Uh, just yeah, that was one of those things. I'm just gonna have to have patience right now. Um, yeah, not even chores. It was yeah. All right, so um, where were we? Oh my God, yo, Spy gapped up. Oh my God, we're about to dump so hard. What are we doing? We're gonna dump. At least not dump, but we're gonna fall and go fill that gap. That'll be fun. She snapped so quick that even I got up and did my dishes. She was mad at the trash people because they usually come in at a regular time and they came like 9 hours too early, and so we didn't have her trash out, and it's too big because she's too small. So, which I blame on her parents. You know, why wouldn't you make her bigger? Like, geez, that little heart. All right. All right. What's up, guys? Good morning. Good morning. We're just going to be trading some stocks today. Um, Time to get this money. I did. I got a haircut. I don't know. I wish the trash would take itself out. All right. Sorry about that, guys. So let's finish this up really quickly. Um, so other than that, guys, we saw the Japanese shares and cyclicals, oil companies leading decline. We saw paired losses after media reported that State Minister Fumio Kishida stimulus package would be larger than initially expected. The dollar paused for a breath, slipping back into an 16-month peak as traders assessed whether the recent surge was starting to stall. Crude prices skidded as China said it was moving to strategic reserves, and gold prices slipped. Weekly jobless numbers are due for release later today, which those just, of course, came out. And again, I tweeted that data out for you guys. Yeah, there we go. So, wow. You must only choose one indicator. What would it be? I mean, volume, probably, always, if that's even considered the indicator. Young San Diego in the background. Yes, rising wedge unplugged. Meat Barn, I'm on live right now on YouTube. Someone screenshot me and then do it. Oh, shit. You need a high def. Man, get out here. I'll show you high def. So, oh my God, Baba fell. So I took two swings, guys. Man, it feels good to take a swing on earnings. So Nvidia got that one up. We'll see what we got on that one. Baba, if anybody straddled Baba, this one actually has a gap to fill below 150, and that gap gets filled all the way to 145. So it could incur even more losses from this mark. So I'm going to be watching Baba maybe for continuation to the downside. I personally just feeling things out at the moment. I'd love to hear what Rolly's talking, or what Rolly's thinking, and of course, the other admins. But I see a gap on SPY, and I know that there's this wick here. I still see SPY more than likely going and filling this gap. Perhaps even hitting 468.35 today. The point of control in this area is 468.50. So my best guess is we would be pulling back with that gap, and then from there, of course, we're seeing a lot of articles. I'm actually going to restart this really quick. Hold on one second. There we go. Something about that angle that just. My phone stand will be here today, and I can't
Watching
wait.
cannabis stocks, marijuana moment reporting that bipartisan Pennsylvania senators announce a medical marijuana home grow bill.
Ooh, gonna get that homegrown. All right, guys. Thank you, Broly. So I personally am going to be watching Baba, of course, Nvidia for potential continuation off of earnings. We played earnings right now. The pre-market highs are sitting there at around 320. Of course, we've seen Nvidia higher than this. Still has, I think, the high of 322.14. So looking at that now, of course, you have the sector sympathy. So you've got AMD now with a gap and a break to the upside here. So you might see a little bit of a push, but if it opens up with a daily gap, whatever that, then of course, there's a little bit of danger that comes with that. So, yo, that's ridiculous, Sam. Yeah, for sure. So anyway, I'll be watching Nvidia. I also am going to be watching Microsoft short. I have been the rising wedge can be a difficult pattern to uh play sometimes, but my break that I'm looking for is 335 on Microsoft. The first level below that is 337, and there's a secondary level below that at 336.25. So I will be watching. Yes, Baba shorts. So here's the thing: when I take swings, and I'm going to tell you guys something right now, and there are people who, we know that will adamantly disagree with me. I play earnings, and I hand select my earnings, and I try to be very careful. Of course, I've been wrong, but I've also been wrong in the middle of the day. I've been wrong, trading whatever. So like for me to take um a risk adverse gamble, um, and really a straddle, setting up a strategy to benefit off of the implied move of an earnings play. So regardless of what it was, I still swung, and I'm likely going to be in profit on both. So if we have a choppy day, or if the market does not present the opportunities that we're looking for this morning, then I will more than likely go ahead and leave it alone, and probably take my profits and leave. And again, watching SPY, watching the cues, we know we have a small gap, so we know that we're possibly going to go fill said gap. Um, and yeah, we'll go from there. So, um, do massive crash pumps will, yeah, massive crashes or pumps, when caught, will throw your account up an extra zero. So my watch list is relatively small. I've been listening to. I know that there's the bipartisan Pennsylvania medical marijuana home grow bill, but I don't really think that's enough to move the entire cannabis market. And guys, most of the time it's just one little article after another. When cannabis dumps down, back to those original levels, that's a good time to buy, because it's really not necessarily, it's inevitable that cannabis will be legalized, in my opinion. It's inevitable. At some point, you just can't keep like telling the American people no when they've all just said like, yeah, like deal with it. Our generation, past generations, all of them. So, like inevitably, cannabis will be legalized, restructured, and with that, you'll see the movement that you're looking for. But in the meantime, these smaller bills just give people, market makers, liquidity. So, um, oh wow,
IONQ shares seem
IONQ
smiling
popping right
here,
now.
moving above the 3350 level.
Lastly though, somebody
Achieving
actually
$4 level. What's the
mentioned
volume? Not seeing any new.
a plug rising wedge. I will be watching plug to the downside below 41 bucks. Um there wasn't really any gaps or anything like that on the daily that I could see on plug power. Let me go back until way down there. But I am potentially looking at plug power back down to around 38.85. But right now the main target is 39. Disney, you said Disney falling wedge. You guys know I love wedges, so wedgies. All right, so let's go take a look at it. Where do I see Microsoft rejecting? Well, I actually have two different thoughts here, as always. So my first intuition is that we bounce immediately, and maybe given earnings, we see an initial pop. That's a possibility. We don't necessarily have to like dump immediately, but we could go and tap the 341, maybe even 342. So you see the rising wedge. This was the fake out, the third touch. So I'm curious to see if we'll break past it. I definitely would like to see it happen. But if it does or it does not, excuse me, and it ends up it could. So one thing that you guys have to know about wedges that can make them difficult to play, and it will literally go and say in the definition on anything, right? Um, a wedge is a pattern that can and will extend itself in order to frustrate traders. So if this higher high right here, right, ends up being the extension, not a fake out, then the price target goes a little higher, right? So if we bounce here at 338.75, we could see a price target of, I have gotten rid of the USD on my chart 9,000 times. Why does it keep coming back? Hold on one second. That's enough to piss off the Pope. Am I tripping right now? I don't want anything. I want none. But anyway, it's gonna be around 342. Maybe even a little bit higher. So yo, these bots in the live. Listen, guys, TikTok, I know it's not a popular answer, but if you're asking me what you should buy, you should probably not be buying anything because you're just going to be buying anxiety attacks, which you could get for free somewhere else. So, stop that and just take the time to start learning. Learn a little bit, learn as much as you can. My Discord's full of free information. The internet's full of free information. YouTube's full of free information. If you're, yeah, if you guys want some, yeah, anxiety attacks, they're a lot cheaper than losing money on stocks. So you can just go through the anxiety attacks. So, um, yeah. But yeah, so just I can't. I'm never gonna just say yes, absolutely. Buy Nikola, and you're going to be rich, so like I don't have investment. If I knew, what a shitty answer, well then I'm not the guy for you, and that's okay. I literally could care less. So right, you guys get to hear it too. Yeah, of course, Carrie, and that's the thing. So we have two. Ooh, there we go. Let's go Nvidia. Yep. So plug power is another one with a daily falling wedge. You also have the hammer candle, inverted hammer on the daily, leading me to believe that this could be a potential short. $40 puts. I honestly, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I'm probably just gonna take them. I will add at the break of $41 to the $40 put. Other than that, that'll be it. So, but anyway, that's it. Nvidia, plug, Baba, Microsoft, all going to be on my watch list unless something changes. Yeah, so that's about it. I did actually, before I move a little bit further, I did get news that Oracle had news. And Oracle has such a clean level right here at $96 that if it gets above $96 with a candle close on the hourly, which is going to be the theme of the day, okay, let the candle close. I'm gonna get it tattooed on my body. Let the candle close. So, yeah. You watching naked? No, I'm not a naked guy. Order filled. You want to think of Moderna? We actually have some heavy Moderna flow coming in. Thank you all. Um, what's the target for profit? It doesn't work like that. I have a goal. Please speak about Shiba. You know what I imagine when people say that? I don't know why. Yeah, I'll take a look at coin for you. You know what I imagine is like somebody scratching their arm, like Dave Chappelle, and they're like, "Hey man, just break down Shiba one more time, man. Come on, for old time's sakes, man." I'm sorry. It's 5 o'clock free Shiba giveaway. Yeah, there you go. Just one more Shiba, man. Please. Uh, you guys are bombing the chat with Dave. That's hilarious. All right, so looks like now, of course, correlating with Bitcoin, that has everything to do with everything. Right now, Bitcoin's still staying below 59 Yeah, for sure. We could see flat trading just like we are from Bitcoin at the moment. I will say that this is not the most bullish setup that I've ever seen in my life. You can see right here, it's forming a pretty tight pennant at the moment. Let me see. So that's your hourly setup. So doing multiple time frame analysis, looks like you could see from the loss of 342, 338 is a level below you. Then the 200-day is 336.50. So you could see one. So anytime you're in a pattern, a lot of the times you're going to see 3 taps of support, 3 taps of resistance, and often the next one will be the break. So Top Shelf, when you go over earnings, man, one day I'm gonna fly down there. I just want to sit there and watch. I want to watch you go through somebody's earnings, like a straight financial analyst gold. We'll do a podcast. Oh my gosh. Uh, I have no idea about Seb. Let me phrase. Sorry, I'm trying to read your guys' comments. I know. Let me rephrase. I would say about 1,500, to $1,000 is a goal. Based on my count. So, where am I from? Oh, hello there, my friend.
Hello.
A wild, a wild Manny has appeared.
Oh, good record.
Oh.
MB.
Oh. Yo, we should get you
Yo,
a
we have so many good setups, dude.
nice. Yeah, are you playing Nvidia or
Yeah, actually, I was just gonna send an updated bounce for the video. I hate it when things move pre-market because I have to go and adjust and move again.
just let it rip, Manny?
I'm also adding to Nvidia 316 for a bounce.
Oh, Baba's dying. Sorry, I'm in Baba puts.
I'm gonna try to.
Not today, baby. I'm just kidding.
Is the video? No, it's not on. Yeah, it's in the territory, but
You're in Baba shorts. Should we make pants that are shorts, like Baba shorts, literal shorts, short shorts?
Roblox has a nice setup also for a bounce. Dude, I was trying to pick that video and I took Bob. Thanks.
When you look at Roblox, do you ever we just saw metaverse stocks drop in China? Do you ever take that in consideration? I'm just asking because I don't know. That's not something that I've never correlated the two when it comes to like specific sectors like that. Sometimes you will run and they'll drop, but I was curious because both have metaverse stocks over there have been running, so I'm not worried, but thinking that if they saw a major, it said like major pullback, so I'm not sure.
If I can be honest, dude, I think I haven't, kept up with news in general in like maybe 3 months. I've just been trading straight momentum, dude, and if I can be honest, Garrett, the reason why I stopped really following news unless it was, economic, not company news, I don't give a shit about that. It was mostly because, I heard from a market maker one time said, have you ever noticed that anytime the stock is moving, news just tends to come out? Anytime the stock is a support, news comes out. The stock is a resistance, an offering, something bad comes out. And he literally said, like, that's what we do. That's the whole point. That's how we find liquidity. You get what I mean?
Right.
So
Yeah.
ever since I really understood that concept, I sort of just, I don't really care, dude. I'm gonna trade the setup. If there's momentum, they had a good run yesterday. I'm gonna look for a bounce. If it, had a downtrend yesterday, I'm gonna look for a rejection. But that's just me, though.
Mhm.
I still read like earnings report. I still read, SEC forms, whatever. If it gets to like that point, but
Different
the whole
trading styles, different impact on
yeah.
news is gonna obviously be more important.
I really think that Roblox really is going to get even bigger than we can possibly imagine. The
Yeah.
game itself, dude. If the game has not died off since like I was a fucking kid, I was 12 playing Roblox, dude.
Are you
They
serious?
hated the game, and the fact that this thing is still thriving, they're public now, they have access to more funding. Like, dude, they're not over, man. This is only getting started.
Damn.
You're right, Nick. That was like last year.
When you were 12.
In general, like I really believe that like the game in general is I guess something, and then when the whole like metaverse and all that crap starts getting together, then yeah, it's gonna be a night. It's gonna be a historic moment that we're all gonna be witnessing.
Do you see a bounce at 125? Because that's what I was looking at. I might be up.
I got 128 and yeah, 126 around there, some shit.
Okay, we're literally, yeah. Okay, so you're going off the wicks. I'm going off the bodies. No difference. Yeah, same thing. I'm watching it, but I wasn't sure if I was gonna take it. I swung Baba puts in the Nvidia calls, so you know.
There's a lot of demand for Roblox around like 127 as well. But that'll be interesting. I'm really focused though on Tesla today, dude. That's like the main like opening trade. I'm glad everything came true though. The fucking due diligence, I can't believe that shit actually really happened. But it was sort of obvious when you looked at Tesla in like a wider time frame. 160 in the daily, really 165 needed to be cleared to pick up buyer interest for the 1100s.
Why don't I hear you?
That was nice.
Is it not letting you in? Are we too full?
So, dude, jobless claims. Let's talk about that real quick. It was
Yeah.
flat.
Yeah, it was flat. Nothing.
Oh my god, this is never gonna end, man. So, jobless numbers were flat. The manufacturing data wasn't even that decent. As you can see, that Dow didn't even like react or care for any of that shit. But it'll be very, very interesting to see what happens, especially at the open. Wouldn't be surprised that we chop. Spy has a little gap to fill, same as the Qs. Just a little tiny gap. Nothing crazy.
Yeah, I see that Macy's doesn't give a shit at all. That thing ripped.
Is Ha on voice? Because he just asked me a question. Ha, can you hear me? Bro, like you guys gotta work with us with the names, man.
What?
Ha, can you hear me?
Who?
Okay, so when I say bounce, what does it mean? It just means that I believe that there is going to be buyer interest at those key levels. So anytime a stock is running with momentum, right, there's always going to be people that swing it, market makers, funds, whatever you want to call them. There's always going to be interest at, no, sorry, let me say that back. There's always going to be interest for a swing. So what happens when, you get a slight gap up in pre-market and whatever, these guys take profit. So while they're dumping their position, I am basically, I don't want to say predicting, I hate that word, but I am looking at these key levels for buyers to be sitting there on the bids. So, when you throw a bid out there, what does that mean? For example, let's say you're an equity trader and you're going to trade Tesla and you think Tesla's going to bounce, 1095. So it's really simple. You just write a bid order, right? You put a limit buy for 1095. So what's going to happen? Your order is not going to be on.
So Zev needs to get above 45.50. So yeah, today's gonna be fun. I swung some pretty sick plays, but I use the 20, 50, 200 day EMA. Charts are just, they look confusing. They're not that bad. Especially when you take
So really what I'm expecting is for just price action to go around there or that zone and then go back up. No, when I'm looking for like something to reject, I call it a rejection. Like for example, I think Big Stepper yesterday he wrote Roku 270 rejection. So he was looking for a rejection at 270. Basically, there were going to be traders there taking short positions.
So no, plug puts, unless it has a falling knife, it's probably best, especially for those of you who are new. Listen, Manny will tell you, okay? Anybody who was in our chat will tell you, I did not, for a long period of time, ever touch weeklies. I made it a rule until I could figure it out. I didn't touch weeklies, and it started with Spy. I thought I was cool. I thought I was going to play Spy weeklies. I thought I was going to be super fast, and I ended up losing super money. So it's just a matter of, if you're new, it takes a lot to handle. They're hot potatoes, man. You're not supposed to hold them. Like, especially the closer, like if someone handed you a bomb and they're like, on Friday this is gonna explode, but on Thursday it could explode too. Like, would you hold it? You know, like you'd probably just like pass it to the next person. I'm that's probably a terrible example, but for just example's sake, you know, like they are really volatile, and to see yourself up 80% and in 1 minute candle you're down, not even down, but maybe 20%, 30%, right? Like, I would much rather take less and have more room to run or have more leeway in order to manage my contracts. It is tempting, but that is your job, to fight these temptations that you see in the market and do the right thing. You don't have a boss. And that's where a lot of people fail, is nobody's telling them what you have to put these rules in place, and then tell yourself that you have to abide by them until you feel more. It's not permanent, it's a accommodation thing until you feel more comfortable executing on a higher, like having hotkeys, right? Having a stream deck, even from the hotkeys that I had, right? Those, it's made a huge difference. But at the end of the day, just being able to get in and get out quickly was one of the things that I was missing. If you have to go and search in the ticker,
Oh yeah.
and then you have to go click on, like, just stop. Just give your money. Just call Citadel. Say, hey, I got to check. I got to check. Yeah, Venmo Vanny. Send a check. Say, Citadel, I was gonna lose this money, but I'm just gonna send you guys a check. So where do I write this to? You know, like, so just, you can play everything that everybody else plays, right? You're not gonna get as big of a return. Obviously, bounce plays, small, like, you know, like, it's a little bit different if you're sizing in big scalps, like, but if you can still use next week's contracts. And especially if you're one of those people who's a little bit more of a day trader, that's definitely something that you should obviously be doing, is not holding. Monday is the only day that you'll see me hold a at the money contract. On Thursdays and Fridays, yeah, you might see me grab a out of the money contract that costs $20, because I see a huge momentum move, and I know that those contracts, whether I go at the money, it might be worth for me to grab, might be worth me grabbing an out of the money contract, picking like on QCOM, right? Picking an out of the money strike, because I know that if with the momentum that QCOM had, that it was going to, if it broke 175 and held it, which it did, it was probably going to go to 180. It did 182 or some shit like that. So, and stop buying the top of these. Yeah, green candles are meant to make you FOMO in, so don't.
That's what they are. It's a psychological trick.
They're like,
You
ooh,
would be like, as a day trader, you'd be like, oh shit, look at that giant green cow, it's gonna keep going. I'm just gonna ape into this shit, and then you ape into it, but like you just basically gave liquidity for some guy to sell to you.
yep.
And then the stock comes down for a bit, you know, IV sets in, you're down like 30%, and you're like, fuck, I should have listened to like Manny and Garrett and Big Stepper. They were right. Fuck. Like, dude, just stop aping into things. Like, I'm being serious. When you literally stop doing that, and you just listen, if something green pops, there will always be another like entry. You get what I mean? Unless like it's fucking, I don't know, like Tesla just has an order for like 1,000,000 cars. Okay, that's different. It's just gonna rip, 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 rip. You get me? But wait, let the 5 minute candle close. Let it set back a little bit, and then slap that by. Yeah, yeah, exactly. Don't have that miss that play mentality, dude. Just like
There,
wait, you know,
how many
don't always
companies?
get set up.
Yeah, like how many companies are on the stock market? Like I think one thing is like a lot of people will see like it becomes like they get lost in the moment. They're not present in the moment, knowing and aware that this play or a play like this will happen again. And you may or may not catch it, but it's just a matter of being like, okay, if I do my job correctly and I adhere to my rules and I find good setups with good momentum or whatever the case may be, then at some point you're gonna catch one of those. Period. AMD, we waited for the longest time. You know how many times we tried to buy $100 calls on AMD? Ask
You are
Rolly.
screaming AMD since it was 70. You guys have no idea.
Yeah, and it
It
was
70. Roman was like, this is going 100.
yeah,
Me and Gary were like,
dude, this thing's never gonna leave.
no, it's dude, just look, Eric, just say it with us, like just okay. I would not ape into a trade. I will not ape into a trade. When you ape into a trade, you're providing liquidity for technical traders. I am not an ape. I am a technical trader. Just repeat this every day in the mirror. When you wake up, trust me, you will upset.
Hey Michael, why are you in my YouTube live? Just leave. Nobody cares, Michael. All right. Nope, nope. I've said this 1,000 times. I couldn't care. You know what's gonna happen is you're gonna sit behind your computer and be pissed, and I'm gonna sit behind my computer and not be pissed, and that sucks for you because you're making a choice. Don't make that choice. Stop it. I don't know. Damn it, Michael. I am not a dingus. Yo, where is that from? That's my son every day. No, no, not that Michael. Sorry, guys. No, this is some guy named Michael Koh. Koh. I don't know what
Hang it, Bobby.
he's just hopped in our YouTube to oh,
Dude, you know why I love Snet, dude?
I found
Snet is literally, I think he's one of the like second biggest Office fans I have ever seen. He gets every reference that I throw. Dude, I just love him, man.
Hmm.
I literally pay for Peacock just to watch The Office at night. You guys have no idea, man.
Why do you pay for
How
Peacock,
much
bro?
money I waste
I pay
for
for
the little
Peacock.
things that make me happy. Yo, Gary, have you ever seen that video, dude, of like the thing saying, did you know if you take out sugar from your tea in the mornings, you will lose the little bit of happiness in your life?
Oh my god.
I was laughing at that last night for like 30 minutes.
The Office is Tyler.
Oh fuck, there's somebody else on my. Oh no, I think that's a dude measuring points.
Tyler, we're just gonna pretend like you didn't say that. That's fine. Everybody makes mistakes, you know. Dude, we're gonna get always whoa, Manny went into the roaring. The roaring. You you put two R's on your rolling.
Oh,
Always rolling.
boy.
Hey Dad,
This
what do you
misunderstand.
Hey Dad, what do you think about Microsoft? It looks like it's in a rising wedge. Why you call me Dad?
You call me dad, man. I'm not your daddy. You're grandpa.
Oh my gosh, bro. I would rather let lava fall on my skin than let coffee drop on this chair.
Oh, dude, tell me about it. I spilled coffee over my eating once. Never sold it.
Oh my god.
I'm horrible. So let's update real quick so you guys know I'm watching Tesla 1095 or 1090 pounds. I'm keeping 1105 in mind, but if it bounces there at the open, I'm gonna be pissed. I want a bigger pullback. And then Nvidia 316, 312, or 309 bounce. Those are all setting up really, really nice. And Roblox 127 and like 126.45, but more 127 bounce.
Please look
Should
up.
be a nice-ish.
Please
By the
look.
way, if you're trading Zoom, if you're day trading Zoom, just know my heart is with you. If you can handle that low liquidity, listen. You're in my prayers.
Please look up Daffy D. Nogla. Your friend sounds just like him. That's Manny.
Not your friend.
Oh, is it YouTube? Daffy D. Nogla? Look him up on YouTube, dude. That's apparently.
Oh, DJ every day. This man wakes up and just has violence in his mind, dude. You tell DJ, yo, DJ, this cup of water is good. It's like that water to the gas.
He's like, it could be the finest water. It's just no. DJ also is immune to cold. I don't know. I don't know this for sure, but it just seems that way. He seems like a guy who would just be able to walk out in the snow with his t-shirt.
Yeah, let me turn to get on live. I'll probably trade US30 today. Get on live.
Puts are paying. Thank yous. Hey. Yeah, we're gonna get paid here on Baba, y'all. Zev, that stuff, that thing is moving again, y'all. So keep your eyes peeled on it. I'm not gonna trade it. You know, I'm gonna say this as well. You know what I've found after I do a lot of like study. No, I don't have a play on CBS. I was just looking at it. You know, after like kind of watching myself over the years, you know, I see certain things like when something runs really, really hard, right? Or is running really hard and I feel the temptation to get in, it is absolutely exhausting trying to trade something that is already ripped. It is mentally like deteriorating to try and manage, like especially if something has ran and you FOMO'd in, there's not much planning you can do, so the anxiety is inevitable. And so like for me, I've just found it easier to like take myself out of the equation completely. And now after practice, just like with anything, after doing that repeatedly and not falling into that, you know, every time I see it, like I've actually gotten really good at just ignoring things. Like I don't even like Zev. If Zev runs another $20, like that's fine. I'm not gonna chase it. You know, like and I because I know that there's another, you know, another one out there. Well, I'm already in Nvidia, so I'm not chasing. But yeah, what is the Baba play? So nothing with Baba other than taking profit. So I played puts on Baba. Um, there was some gnarly gaps to the downside, so I took out 180 puts, or excuse me, 160 puts, and I also had some calls just in case. But yeah, Baba's gonna start the day green. Really, if you guys are up a lot, why get out of there? Just go. Take your money. All right. Okay, so it is 9:24. Is the magnetic neck pillow working for me? Absolutely. This thing is the best. Oh wow,
Pretty badass, right?
Michael Coe deleted his message.
I told you the new sleeper dogs were raw.
This thing, I don't understand. Like I get it now, and that's all I can say. Which is probably why
Tesla bounce was 1095 or 1090. 1097 will also be an option. So let's see. Anywhere around that zone, we should see buyer interest on the pullback at the open.
you will bounce on
Keep an
Bob.
eye on the indices. Oh, one thing remember that I always say, if the indices are selling off, do not trade the bounce.
There you go.
Wait. It's different. You know, Tesla's red and then SPY is like just ripping. You know, that's for sure gonna reverse. But you know, Tesla's red and then SPY is like redder. Like no, run.
I'll keep my eyes on Macy's for you guys. I traded Macy's and man, that was one of my best like retail plays this year. Was Macy's filling that gap. That was a lot of fun to trade, but me personally, yeah, Nvidia should well, here's the thing, guys. Don't get crazy. I'm taking profit at the bell.
Yeah, I agree.
I'm gonna leave a runner, and that's it. And that runner was cheap as hell. So, um, yeah. Any other questions though before we get going?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm gonna hop off already. But I just want to say good luck to everybody. Remember, it's Thursday, data Thursdays, weeklies today. We'll start losing value very aggressively because it's one day to expiration. So if you are in a heavy, weekly position, look to start letting them all go.
I am
So
taking
that's
profit.
what it is, 0 to T.
Yeah, Top Shelf said I'm taking profits today, reducing what I can. I'm agreeing.
Yeah.
I'm right there with you.
That's on a smooth day. Hopefully, there is some decent position so I can size up. I'm getting tired of using small size. It leaves me very discontent, dude. I hate that feeling. Eric.
Yeah.
When I use small size, it's like, fuck, this is so boring. But let's see. All right, good luck, everybody. Don't chase.
All
Please
right.
don't chase. I will
Again,
be the one setting you.
YouTube, TikTok. It's not going to be on purpose, but obviously I can't really pay attention. Thank you, Urban Farms. I can't really pay attention to all of the messages and stuff like that. So, unfortunately, I'll look at those when I can. So, all right. Let's see. ASTR is unfortunately got a little bit of a this candle's no good. If you lose $10, then you're probably gonna resume a downtrend on that one. But oh my God, sushi. Oh my God, dude, save that. I gotta save that video. Thank you. I'm gonna use that in my TikTok. I need my glasses though. Where are my glasses? Yeah, I got a haircut. Mad aerodynamic now. All right. So the only one that I was targeting fast has just broke my level, and that is Microsoft. Microsoft just broke. So obviously 337.15 was my first target with 336 underneath that. That's terrifying. Morgan Stanley. All right, let's get ready to go. Thanks, Bulldog. PROG. I'll leave it up on my chat, guys, but y'all relentless. Yo, let's go, Nvidia. Oh. This should be my TikTok picture. Yeah, all right. I'm gonna take profit on Nvidia. Watch the thing run to 350. We all get sick. Ugh. 1 minute. Get ready, everybody. I'm stoked. I'm ready to see these Baba puts, baby. Give me the loot. Roblox looks like it's about to go. Take a deep breath. Remember, you're a human. We're at work right now. Oh my God, Nvidia is going. Taking profit 100% right here on Nvidia. I'm out. Getting out. Trying Baba.
Order filled.
All right. Fuck. I don't even play that. All right, Microsoft. Progressive's about to pull back on you guys. $337.50s, obviously at the money contracts are okay. Damn it, those just went into money. So I guess 330. All right, if you can catch the 335s, I'm gonna go ahead and get those.
Order filled.
All right, I literally filled right as they went in. They're bouncing right around. I'm at 337.50s on Microsoft Light. I don't have a heavy position here. Hopefully you guys took profit on Nvidia. Plug is kind of getting towards my level at the moment. I grabbed a Microsoft 337.50 put for this week. I'm going plug right now. I'm looking at a plug $40 put for November 26th. I'm gonna go ahead and line that up right now. Yeah, I'm gonna take this now.
Order filled.
That candle right there on Nvidia is to be expected. Hopefully you guys got out. Did you guys take profit on Nvidia? Those were over 100%. Neo's getting close to support. Be careful there. Microsoft. All right, Microsoft, what are you doing? If this candle closes here, that was a reversal candle right there. If we pop back above 338.25 or 338.30, I'll go ahead and exit. That's a candle close, 338. Uh, 40 to the downside. Stop loss on that one is 42 bucks. Roblox is moving 130s. Ends. Oh my god, dude, they are sinking Nvidia. Jesus Christ, man. I really hope that you guys TP'd Nvidia. Come on, Microsoft. All right, we're gonna retest that same level we broke. Candle close. And I'll cut these real quick right here. Apple's falling. Did you guys TP Baba for over 600%? I'm green on the day. Stupid green right now. Yeah, Baba was literally over a 600% swing there, so big bounce on Nvidia, but that's not necessarily a go ahead. All right, I'm not really sure if I'm gonna hang on to Microsoft here. I think it may end up recovering this support. No, give it a minute. Give it one. Let's let this thing retest. Let this close. You said QCOM. Oh my God, is it going? Motherfucker, man. Yeah, Baba was amazing. Just waiting to see if Microsoft is going to actually follow through with this pattern or with this setup. So big bounce on Nvidia here. Let's see if we get a go ahead to the upside. Baba's still sinking. So if you guys have any Babas left, those are up 160% or 650%. 700.
Order rejected.
Why? Oh, because you already have those lined up to be sold. That makes sense.
Order filled.
There we go. Okay. All right, Microsoft, beautiful rejection. We needed to close 337. We need 4150 to be broke here on plug. Microsoft, Nvidia. These stupid ass stocks. Yo, watch Square. Watch Square above 237.85 with the 239 level above it, but you could potentially see 243.37. Nvidia is back up on the run here. Microsoft is struggling, guys, and if you are in Microsoft right now, I would have liked to see a cleaner break. I'm not down terribly, but I'm probably going to go. That's $43 per contract, so it's a $43 loss per contract. I'm going to go ahead. It's 24% down. No, I didn't. But I am currently watching to see if we're going to end up seeing this rejection here on Microsoft. So yeah, I didn't expect Macy's to continue with a follow through personally. I think I'm going to go ahead and just exit Microsoft, everybody, and I'll re-enter. So hoping to see the major indexes. Yo, Doran, great job. Yep, Microsoft's still ripping. So is QCOM. Watch Nvidia. Nvidia is going for highs right now, 325. Watch for 325. The next level above that is going to be 327.22. Plug stop loss 42 candle close. If you're in Roblox with Heck Diesel, I think he swung it. Yeah, I'm out of plug. I'm out of plug, guys. I think
Order filled.
I'm out of plug. I'm out of plug. Yeah, I did. I got out of Microsoft. Microsoft wasn't bad. I just took both of those to see if it would pull back. But I think right now, we're getting carried. We're seeing some metaverse stocks, QComs, Nvidias, Robloxes, are kind of lifting the market at the moment. So
Real quick, Roblox right there, bounce 134.37. That's the first fib level. Like I taught you guys, this is the first fib. Don't chase right there. You could have entered right there and gave it a little room to stop out. If not, look, you're in profits. It's wicking at that exact level. Look, I just want people to not chase candles, man.
you don't have to cut Microsoft. I just got out and I'll take it at the I'm not gonna just sit here and let it chop. I'm gonna wait for the break. So Nvidia is trying so hard right now, but it can't.
Oh, dude, look at that. Look at Roblox. Look at that bounce, dude. Perfect bounce off the first fib. You don't have to chase a stock. Give it a minute. You could get in. Look at that. That was beautiful. But Tesla, though. Gary, you take Tesla?
No, I don't.
God damn it, Gary.
Sorry, I'm a little off this morning. Damn, that pop right there in Roblox was gnarly. I'm waiting to short Microsoft TBA, and I kind of want to long Nvidia, but I don't see it breaking 326 at the moment. I'm also
I
up.
just wanted to say that.
I was up 600% on Baba puts, so I'm not like itching.
Okay.
I'm not itching to like scalp or like. It almost takes the motivation to like go hard. I'm like I'm already done for the day. All right, let's see Square above that mark, and I'll take Square. But Microsoft's finally curling over. I told you guys I was going to take that again, so I'm going to go ahead and line my Microsoft puts back up. You TP'd Nvidia? Oh my gosh, you're a madman, dude. I love that everybody has their own plays right now. Everybody's crushing their own stuff. That's awesome.
Yep. Roblox is coming back down to the fib, still trying to hold it.
334.
134, 37.
Okay. Dude, Baba's still dying, y'all. What the fuck?
They found Jack Ma's body. I'm just kidding, guys. I would have been fucked.
Right. Yeah, I think I'm totally okay with not trading Microsoft if it does not break here. I hardly ever play Microsoft to the downside. And if anything, guys, you see the wick right there, it already tapped 337. So might be just best to leave it alone. Macy Killian got in at $88. Or oh dude, nice. 279. Great job. All right. All right, dude, Nvidia. What do you think of Nvidia right here?
It's been bouncing the 5. Like when you said it, it was bouncing the 5 and the 9, which is close to each other. So yeah.
You
But I'm pretty sure if you draw fibs, you probably got a 38 bounce. Jeez, how did I know that guy? That's exactly what it was.
what are sellers right now?
At some point, fibs just become second nature of your essay, and then everything you see, you just draw Fibonacci retracements.
Everything.
Nice, Tesla. All right, and we can get above the ATR. The 1020 break is literally imminent. ATR is at 112, so over 112, and it holds. Pretty sure it's gonna go to what do you call it to 100.
Jesus, plug. Dude, plug. Scammy price action on plug. Ugh. Alright. I am hella. Nvidia really looks like it wants to rip, my boy. Macy's just took off. Great job if you got Macy's 2 winning trades thus far. AMD calls, Visa calls. Brian, air high five. Nice job. There was a big, nice bounce on Roblox.
That was a sick bounce on Tesla, dude. You want me to tell you what happened? Yeah, you don't want to know.
Oh wow, look at that bounce on Tesla. Wait, does it have a gap? Does it have a gap to fill?
The gap has been filled a long time ago, dude. Go to the book.
Not all the gap. You left some gap, dude.
Yo, but on the real, dude, I filled into Tesla, bro, and then it ticked down, and the premiums just got. I was down like $600. I was like, oh, nice. I didn't think too much. I'm like, nice. This is good. This is literally what I said
Yeah.
not to do, and I'm doing it.
Um,
I just started seeing big buy orders, and I was like, oh, this is gonna bounce. I just time in hand and spend it. Bro, this has been a crazy week. Dude.
Nvidia 330 calls for dude. Nvidia flow is coming in like fucking crazy right now. AMD flow, Nvidia flow, Friday 310s, and that's all. Friday contracts are getting fucking smoked right now. Excuse my language.
Watched 133 and 132 for possible dips on Roblox if it happens. Is Roblox at all-time high? It is,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, 100% at all-time highs.
Yeah, all right. So be careful then. You can get rapid mid flushes. Those are very unhealthy for your heart. Plug still bouncing that same fib, guys.
Yeah, I want a short plug, but
Sorry, did I say plug? I meant Roblox. What is wrong with me?
dude, don't say that. Dude, Microsoft completely reversed. Yo, Apple's going, watch Microsoft to go back up 340. 340 on Microsoft above 340. If this wedge extends itself, then we've got Microsoft. Fuck, dude. Why is this currency come up? I keep unhighlighting it and it never saves. It like just keeps coming back. I hate it so much. 340.65 Microsoft, and you could see all the way in the 340 threes. So dude, I need to change this market cap. This is terrible. Roblox Friday 140 calls coming in. Oh my god. Nvidia's
Dude, just straight menace to society. Look at that. Look at that rip, dude.
Nvidia looks ready to go.
Yeah.
I'm about to.
The cues. So.
Yeah, Roblox is straight.
Oh, yeah, dude, the cues are just gone.
If you guys caught Roblox with Manny, great job.
Yeah, that bounce was sick. It wasn't spot on, but you could see the momentum starting. And so, here's something. If you don't feel comfortable or you don't know how to read level 2, which don't tell me this because I'll be very disappointed. But if you don't feel comfortable taking the bounce, right? Here's a little trick that I like to use sometimes. You guys know what a pin bar is? Everyone knows what a pin bar is? It's literally like it's like a hammer, right? But very long wick. So when you see that first 5-minute candle at the open start forming a pin bar, that's a bounce.
Can I short plug now? Yeah, I can.
Dude, you're gonna short, like, who's shorting my net worth, man?
I'm sorry, buddy. I gotta do it. November 26th. November 26th, $40 put.
The watches was sick today. This is what I like. When there's nice momentum days the previous day, we get setups like this, like where they have continuation until the next day.
I got.
I hear order fill.
Yeah, I just filled into plug. Yeah, I didn't get luckily I didn't fill anything like crazy, but I got into Microsoft. It broke my level and then wicked up on me, so I went ahead and cut that one for a small loss. Then plug, if you go look at plug's 5-minute, that'll tell you everything that happened. That one I was not about to hold anything through a big reversal candle like that. So I did just get into plug. Can you guys hear me okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
A beautiful voice for him.
Okay, fine.
I haven't taken no more trades. Usually when I have a really hot trade at the open, I tend to not really trade anymore.
Look at how inflated these premiums are. Oh my god.
Wow, dude, 30,000 bid order for Tesla got filled at 11:06, and the dude is like right on his trader.
Oh, Tesla.
Unless he went short. Went short. This dude is alpha.
Yeah, I got November 26th, $40 put.
Yeah, Tesla is like struggling a bit below VWAP. Oh, look at that. The 1090 bounce was
Yeah.
the 200 EMA, more or less, on the 5. That's cool.
AJ, great job. Great job.
I refuse to trade Amazon.
Dude, fuck Nvidia. I'm watching the video, bro. This shit is scammy as fuck. Oh, yeah, that's why. Okay. Fucking market makers are going ham bony on them.
Did you say ham bony, dude?
I did.
I've never heard you say that one before. Oh, wiki.
Yeah, I may hold these plug puts and
God damn it, you guys are just fucking. You guys just hate me.
yeah, that's why every time it becomes the top talk of
Oh,
Wall Street bets, shit starts dumping every time.
except if it's a meme stock, then the shit just starts ripping into the stratosphere. Alright, I'm seeing a big slowdown volume wise. What time is it? Alright, it's about to be 10 a.m. Remember, stocks have not made a new high by 10 a.m. We got to be careful going long. Tesla, as you can see, not a contender to go long so far. Roblox and Nvidia are setting up for continuation after 10 a.m. Also, this rule applies to the downside as well. Stock has not made a new low, but 10 a.m. I'm sure.
Damn, that sucks for them. I'm gonna have to hold this. Yeah, I'm gonna hold this plug put. Yo, Ford is showing a lot of resiliency right now. Weird.
Look at Roblox, dude. Every dip on Roblox is viable. And look, guys, just let me show you. You draw your fibs, you don't want to chase, you just want to scalp dip buys. Simple. You keep extending them to the highs, and look, they keep setting up, and the stock will keep setting up. It's just a better risk and reward for options, right? Like dude, you know
Yeah.
today when Tesla was falling at the beginning, the 11
I was there
did not
before them.
move. They stayed at $500.
Hey, Kenan, you whatever your name is, shut it. Goodbye. Shut that mouth.
On Nvidia, I think Nvidia is literally gonna break all time high. Well, it is setting all time high. The other one was the pre-market, so that doesn't count. But I think Nvidia is going at 330, in my opinion. If it can hold a new high and hold 327, it's just gonna go to 330. It's like coming in.
So weak right now, dude. So weak. It's got to go. We know Nvidia though. Like Nvidia should move. It needs to go
Man,
now.
nothing like big bait on Nvidia. That shit was like $800.
How about how scammy fucking plug power is right now? I'm hanging on.
Soldiers are Sharpie, man. They're buying. I'm just kidding.
I'm not trying to short it that far. I'm trying to. I'm long plug too.
Oh, Tesla! Look at that pin bar that's forming on the fives. Okay, round two.
1105. Ford
Oh, the
releasing
just
EV contract for 5,400 vehicles. Nice. Yeah, I can see plug back down to 39.
All right, Tesla's back above VWAP. Keep an eye on it. This might provide another trade.
When are they gonna hit us with the virus lockdowns news? Because I had you don't hear.
This is gonna come at least for
Not
now.
not us, but like they just don't talk about it. It's so funny.
Trying to drop the market.
That was a rough start for me with Microsoft though. I'm not rough. I just don't like having trades like that. Could that news yesterday for my family? Could yeah, all right. There goes plug. All right, Nvidia dude just looks so bad. I can't. I just have a hard time seeing this thing go right now. I'm looking at the. I'm just looking at the 1 minute, dude. It's got like a crazy looking wedge right now. These candles are stupid weak. Like it would have to make a huge pop here and complete because right now it looks like it's about to go reverse and go back to 323.25. How weak is AMD right now? Yeah, AMD looks stupid weak too. Yeah, most of the market's pulling back right now.
Remember, guys, 10 a.m. rule doesn't fail. Amazon. Too wiggy for me, dude. Volume is too low for me to bother trading Amazon. I don't like Amazon in general. I really don't like trading that thing.
Mace.
It's so like like big in value. The tape is messy.
No, guys. Macy's about to pull back to 323.16, I think. No. Oh, nice. You hit Victoria's Secrets. Nice. Macy's keeps making new highs. All right, if you're in plug, you should be green.
Roblox, nice. Finally made bounce. Still holding those wicks as support, which is nice.
Has it hit 340?
That's well, plug.
No, I was looking at Roblox. I was wondering if it hit.
Roblox still. I keep calling Roblox. Oh, it's because right next to each other. Yeah, every dip. I think that's how Big Stepper say it, which is true. Every dip is viable on Roblox. There's a lot of buyer interest apparently. Just
Apple's going for round 2. No, but that pullback on AMD is gnarly right there.
plug just broke its ATR to the downside. So if it holds, it's gonna continue down.
No, BBY was in the opposite. It was in a they actually had massive put flow coming for that. Massive.
Ooh, there goes plug. It's okay. It's just how small.
All right, plug. Good stuff right there. Unplug. Irritating. Dude, my Baba, a TP to Baba put for 795%.
Nice. That's fucking nuts. Guys, 10 a.m. Remember the rule.
I don't see Nvidia going. I'm about to.
Yeah, Nvidia has ended the last 5 minutes with a doji. Those aren't good. You know, if you follow candlestick patterns on how they form, doji's no bueno.
Yeah. If you hold multiple dojis, like it's neutral across and, you have a stalemate kind of. But if we go up, I see 335.25. Other than that, I just can't imagine. We have I think wouldn't we have a gap to fill too, I think?
I don't think it was a gap.
Yeah, 335 seems logical. But $41, we'll see a bounce on plug. If you're in weeklies, you do not hold to these bounces. Bonkers. Hello Kitties are coming. NFTs are coming from Recur. Oh God. That's on VERI. There's like a bunch of different other companies that this was tagged in. Intel always dies.
Roblox, like again, yeah, this thing is gonna keep going today, dude. Yeah, the contracts are insanely jacked, bro.
Yeah, I don't fuck with it when it runs like this. I'll short it.
Yeah, wow, Roblox, nice. This is gonna take
340. It's got
this thing
3.
is gonna easily have momentum for the whole day.
Yeah, I was gonna say 340. I don't see it past 340, dude.
There it is. Roblox had a day. Oof.
Maybe I'll short Roblox at 340.
And again, I will send the example that I keep sending because my goal is to stop people from chasing and get people to
Wow.
buying to support bounces.
Wow.
You guys see the fibs? You see how the fibs just held that support? Forget wicks. Wicks are wicks. Wicks are price action getting there, and there's no continuation. The wick is useless. Dude, Nvidia's below the 5 EMA, so it's, yeah, just flew past the 9. It's heading down. But watch VWAP. It could actually provide a bounce. How's the, oh no, the Qs are a mess.
This is boring. To be, I didn't catch Roblox or Macy's or anything. I just TP'd my swings. Now I'm all bored. Amazon? Oh wow. Yeah, Amazon's ripping. Oh, Amazon's trying to break out. Yeah, you got 3,600 here. Nice bounce on Nvidia.
Buyers sitting at the EMAs.
Not enough to send Nvidia anywhere though.
No, yeah, no. The volume is not enough to send it that deep. Well, actually, the volume is fucking nuts. If you zoom out for the previous days, but there doesn't seem to be a lot of interest, and then the queues being all over the place is not helping. Bro, I don't know why I feel like I have to do something today, but I can't remember what. And you ever have that? It's fucking annoying.
Yeah, I do all the time. Daily.
Right, if you guys can hear my music, please just let me know. Put it down.
I mean, Nvidia don't look terrible on the hourly either. I don't know. Maybe you just give it towards the end of the day. We'll see what it does.
For it being a slow week, by P&L wise, I'm actually surprised.
Same
I
here, dude.
expected to make a lot less.
Oh, Roblox is setting up to go tap 140 potentially and then dump.
They trade on the seats tomorrow.
Am I gonna trade what? OTC?
0DT.
Am I?
Yeah.
Yeah. Dump.
Let's see. And I see, there needs to be setups that have continuation into tomorrow. If everything ends choppy, I'm not even gonna bother waking up. I'm gonna go to sleep.
All right. Does Nvidia rip from here? I don't know, dude. Now that I just saw that. Now that I saw that bounce. Yeah. Yeah. Now that I saw that.
Control at 325. So if we can get above that and hold, yeah, it's gonna go.
Yep. I have point of control right there too. So good job, Snee on Amazon. Remember the breakout retest if you're in weeklies. Watch Microsoft. Are we gonna rally? We're kind of set up to see some stocks push.
Check my rally. Q's just moved out of day.
Okay. You cut your losses on Baba? Why are you cutting losses on Baba? I hope nobody took Baba on any of the streams, guys. That was a swing from yesterday that we closed out like over 100. Like I probably sold puts to somebody. Like that's not, yeah. Hopefully you guys did not misconstrue that one. Plug is not good. Plug is it going to end up possibly? I mean, if you look at Plug on the hourly, Right now the pointing control is 41.16, and we just made our first bounce there. So we'll wait for a reversal sign, but it is in a bearish setup right now. So you got the wrong BABA contracts? What happened? I mean, how did you get the wrong I mean, what did you do? Did you get calls? Apple's trying to break 155, 154.50. Yo, Roblox looks terrible.
That's all over the place.
Guys, I didn't see anything for SQ. I left that thing alone. Oh my god, it looks so bad now. Oh my god, look at that rejection off the look at that rejection on Square off of the 200-day EMA on the hourly. Oh, now it looks shortable.
Yeah, Square's inside of supply.
I don't even. I'm gonna wait for Square one day.
I tried the Square once when it had volume, dude. And it was in a timeout. It got run pulled real quick, and then I held. It came back up, but it was the most dreadful experience I have ever had with stock. It was just so like, dude, it's like watching your P&L go back up like little by little, but at the same time you're like, this shit could just reject any second. Never again.
Wait, what is Jade? Oh shit. Oh, that's right. JD was carving into earnings for Baba. That's why we saw that. Also, if you're day trading, why are you watching the 5 minute? I don't know if I'm calling out anybody right now, but stop that. If
You
you're
can
day,
see you through your camera.
yeah, I can see you. You got something on your nose. Man Dingus. I used your original name.
James.
I'm saying,
James.
yeah, if you're scalping. TradeStation just instantly transferred funds for me. Yeah, they do that.
Yeah, all the time.
Yeah, until they don't. You touched your nose and you did have something on it. That means you're healthy. Was it wet?
Keenan, I don't know. Yeah, you probably don't lie, but the reason why I say that if the stock is just ripping on some side, it's better to use a micro time frame also, is because here's the thing: when you plot the lows on the daily, you will always have like a very far low, versus when you would do it like a more micro frame like the 30 or the hourly. Dude, the Dow is just fucking flushing. I'm glad I took profits on that swing, dude. Wow, this thing is just down like fucking 200 points. No, 300 points at this rate.
Looks like we're gonna sell off on Nvidia.
Look at the Qs. The Qs are pretty much dragging every tech name. Look at Square is not even non-existent at this point.
I don't even.
Roblox is below the 5, and the 5 is curling down. So these are gonna get messy real quick. Be careful.
Yeah, Nvidia's getting messy real quick.
Yeah. I'm gonna walk. I'm not gonna sit through all this bloodbath.
Yeah, I'm in plug puts. Those are doing well, but
Yeah,
sorry, puppy.
it's okay. I never hedge myself. I don't really care. The my average on that is like 500 shares at 19. I already sold the initial like risk, so I can care less. I can go to $19 and I will buy more. Wow, dude, US 30 is just dragging the whole market down. By the way, that's the down. Just nuts, dude. Nutty.
No, plug's doing okay. So if you're on plug,
All right, guys. Good luck to those still trading.
Oh my god.
Please be careful.
I'm probably gonna
Have
go
a
off
good day,
there.
everybody.
Look.
Good day, bro.
You too, man.
Did you say babe or man? I'm okay with either orbs. Okay.
What did you say? Sorry.
Did you say man or babe? I'm okay with either or.
Yeah. Wait, what did I say? I don't even remember what just happened, dude. I just spaced out.
All right, it's okay.
I just disassociated. Sorry. Sorry, the candles sucked me in. Oh, be in. Ah, I get it. Okay. We should see Nvidia bounce here. All right, $40 puts on plug. I'm gonna leave Microsoft alone, and I know when I've seen my fill, and it's the yeah, Roblox flush and baby. Oh, 1,626 bucks on Nvidia puts, bought at 325.40, sold at 318. Amazing. Roblox, yep. INTC, sure. Oh shit. There's Nvidia's bounce, 321. INTC is currently basically bracing to go. It's 49.50. Below 49.50, you've got a trip down to 48.50. Another dollar move to the downside. Good. Most people can't make that adjustment and struggle with that. So is anybody unplugged? Plug power. Okay. Um, yeah, it's probably too late. That's good, Larry. Proud to hear you. Proud to hear you making sound. That's awesome. I'd rather somebody say I don't like the way things look. I'm not going to trade today. That's good self discipline. So most people can't walk away from their computers. It's a problem. You got to have something to do. Having something to do helps. Get into whittling or something. Yep. Better to be wishing you were in rather than wishing you were out. Yep, bro, I have a full-time job, still can't. Snee, where you at right now? You in Georgia, dude? About to head down there, dude. Nvidia though, woof, sheesh. That thing's about to flush again. Oh, LGVN. So, Apple, first of all, daily time frame, you're up against, and I was just talking about this earlier. Blink just hit a low. Oh, that's right. Blink has a gap on the daily. That's why. Oof, rough. You're out of Baba shorts? Dude, I know how much those shorts are going for right now. Those are 954% because I have one left.
Order filled.
I'm gonna gamble. Did I say I have 54 left? No, I have one left that I've been fighting with, trying to decide whether it just kept falling. So I was like, all right, don't mind me. No, not 50. Yeah, 50. That would be sick. If I had 54 puts, that'd be awesome. Nvidia is popping back up here, 321.55. Yeah, today sucks. I'm gonna tell you right now, today sucks for continuation, day trading, all that. Coop, how's Coop? Coop dumped. Oh my God, yeah, everything. No continuation. Where Bentley? Yo, Anon, good job. We know when and oftentimes we feel. Do you think it's a good time to get back in Roblox? Absolutely not. Hold on one second. No, could you see a recovery after that? Like at that, like V shape? I can't. Not yet anyway. Yeah, you got to think about it like and like take a step back. But all right, does this actually look like it's going to recover from here? Like probably not. Like okay, so you guys know what I'm talking about with the 50% mark. The 50% mark usually on any given candle, if we've broken out like we have on Roblox and we lose 50% of the previous candle, then more than likely we're going to fall. Period. So, Roblox going back down to 330, after I think look at the run. It's had an extended run, so it's not outside the question. But if you can hold here and the market rebounds, maybe. Right now you're lagging. Also, Nvidia looks like big short coming in there. Watching Nvidia to go back down to 316. Rough, but good swings. The puts on plug are going well. We're all going to incur losses. That's a part of the game, but mitigating them and cutting the wrong ones and letting the right ones ride. So I mean, even just the re-entry on plug, it is what it is. I'd rather be safe than sorry. So nice. Apple rejected, so Apple more than likely anywhere below 153.50 will continue to push to the downside, hitting 152.70. There's plug going for 40.50. If you want to go ahead and, especially if you're in weeklies, because you should have been, probably want to go ahead and TP there pretty quickly. So the skill is learning when it's correct to cut a loss and when it's time to average down. Yeah, so if the market in general is moving in the direction that you want and you're seeing a pullback, right? Like taking a step out and doing multiple time frame analysis is going to be able to help you see that on whether or not you could see a recovery. So like this on Nvidia, it's not looking really healthy, but we would need to see like a significant push in volume. But if I was in this to the upside, oh, excuse me, I wouldn't, especially right around here where it starts to show all that weakness. Like seeing this weakness right here, volume drop off, the market's pulling back, the sentiment's fading. So like you would know better than to obviously do that. So looks like Nvidia is about to hit 315. I would TP a little bit, even if you're out till the 6th. If you have multiple contracts on plug, I would just go ahead and take a profit off of a few. I'm going to do that myself now.
Order rejected.
I didn't even fill anything. What are you guys talking about? Oh, shit. Okay. That's my fault.
Order filled.
There we go. Okay. The demon did, dude. He had a stroke. The broker demon. So Apple's 15-minute candle here is showing a little bit of strength, a little dragonfly potential. Order rejected. All right, we need to see a bounce. Yeah. Let's see, Roblox. There's a good candle. I would still want to see it above 135.45, but there's a big bounce on Apple. What's the market doing? What's SPY look like? We've got one. What about Nvidia? Oh my God, Nvidia's candle looks so bad. If I try and sell the same order, most of the time, too fast, I'll get an order rejected. So, yo, Baba puts are up 1,000%. Yuck. All right. I'm going to step off for 1 second, go to the restroom. Just watching right now. I wonder if Nvidia bounces for real though. It doesn't look good. Top shelf. Can I put that in a video, dude? I need your permission, man. That's amazing. I remember you posted that. We were talking about it. We need to get top shelf on TikTok, dude. We didn't give you. We need to get Uncle Roman on TikTok, man. That's some high quality TikToks right there. Forget about it. High quality H2O. My candle time? What do you mean? Sorry, guys, I'm not able to look at a lot of stocks right now. I'm talking to most of my Discord, so sorry about that. Burrito effer, I could only imagine. Morning, what's up? My thoughts on Roblox, it pretty much flushed out. High quality calls. Listen, dude, I have no idea. I don't even know what to say anymore. Some of these screen names, you know. That's rough. Yeah, he asked me, guess what I'm doing. So, what's my credit score? What do you guys want, dude? Do you guys want to move in with me? Do you want to change my socks? What's my credit score? What's my proudest play? My proudest play. I have a couple of those. Nah, Kodak is not my. I wouldn't say Kodak was my favorite play. That wasn't one that I did any work on. I just got lucky. Period. Yeah, it was a great one. I just got lucky. But I would say I don't know. I'm looking at Roblox. Roblox swings. I remember swinging from the 90s to the hundreds. Macy's gap fills one of my favorites. Trying to think. There's so many plays. I don't even know how to I don't even think I've ever thought about it. Give me a minute. I think last year I had a good trade on NOW that I was really proud of. So yeah, more than likely. Yeah, AMD is likely to pull back. So it's crazy to see Nvidia bouncing right now. All right. Yeah, I'm gonna swing the rest of plug likely. So a bounce on Nvidia. So Nvidia would have to close above this could be the start of a wedge, a rising wedge, which would have you ripping into the 330s. So, but that would take sector cooperation. But I would expect a rejection here. Roblox, there you are, back to 330. Hmm. I'm about to head out on TikTok here, guys. So make sure to hit the link in my bio for the YouTube where we're live now. So peace. The link is in my bio. There's a big bounce on Roblox. Yeah, watching a video above 321 with volume. What to the I'm watching it to see if it's going to rebound here because it could V shape. It looks like it might. We'll leave it alone. Yeah, honestly, Nvidia's setup right now is fucking terrible. I mean, you've got these buyers stepping in right here. You could see, a little reversal at the moment. You're struggling right now with this early morning downtrend right here. So I mean, like you could see a flat rejection and go back down to this support, but at the moment it's kind of a crapshoot. So there's a small rejection. All right, I'll be right back, guys. Right. More pain. Yep, we got a rejection on the video. Plug is looks like it's still gonna reject. Nice little pop there, bear little fake out. How's everybody doing okay? I cut Microsoft. I cut Microsoft. I'm in Plug, but not Microsoft. I mean, yeah, I'm not in Microsoft. I'm watching Microsoft, but it hasn't broken pre-market highs or anything. So YouTube, do you guys have any questions? Sorry, I haven't seen all of the messages. Um, yeah, I don't trade BA for that exact reason. So let me be really clear about Plug. So I'm holding my position, but you guys need to go ahead and start looking at where, like, we can look at it together. I can show you where I would likely cut. Now, what this is why we do multiple time frame analysis. So while we're still green, if we finish with a doji candle here, you can bet that you're likely going to go and possibly above this wick 41.33 retest the same level that you broke, which is $42. So just keep that in mind. We've got 42 minutes left for this candle to go ahead and make a new low around $40. My TP point is 39, but of course another leg down could constitute, of course, some profit taking as well. So right now, Nvidia is making a descending triangle, if I'm not mistaken. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. I mean, if we could basically, could you imagine, like once a week, like you hear a siren, and that lets you know, like it's time to hide. Like you have fair game, you can hide, right? But then they got people out there, and they'll just blow dart you with a vaccine. That way, like it's all, and then it's like kind of fun, like even if you didn't want it, you still had fun. It hurt a little bit, but what good time doesn't? So. It's like dodgeball. Yeah. Watch Nvidia right here above 321. Watch it and see if it pops. Yeah, like paintball. Sure.
This is for
But I keep seeing myself on camera. I'm like, I kind of forget that I have a haircut. Yo, this secret lab chairs, armchairs are enough for me to pay more money for it. The armrest, these shits are crazy. Up, down, side to side, in, out. Like, oh, you got a chair too? Big stepper, me too, bro. I really just want to walk away. So right now, stop loss on plug. I'm gonna type it. Watch Nvidia. Nvidia's moving. What? Nvidia. Actually, I'm gonna change my entry. I want to see it above 322. Okay. Oh, all right, Nvidia. Back up you go. Yes. No volume. Let's see, is it extending itself? Paired bull trap. We'll see. It loses the point of control. That's it. 317. Oof. Oof. Nasty. What are you guys playing? Battlefield drops? Is that shit really $100? Did you just say come on, Redbox? Oh, you know what? Look at the fault. Okay. Let's see what's happening here on Nvidia. Who's flying? Amazon? What the fuck? That's why Apple's all. Look at Apple in the bullish pennant right now. What's good? Yeah, look at it. Yeah, HD. Yeah, for sure. Roblox absolutely hitting the dumper, man. That was crazy. I think I better call it a day myself. Wow, HD, nice move, steady. There's not much else to say on HD. Just broke out. Just made another move to the upside. Got good volume. That volume seems steady right now. Broke out of a nice bull flag. I would say the next target is 405. Yeah. Astro, what'd you do, man? Damn, Roblox flushing retail the hell out, man. 125.50. These are one of the days that for me as a trader, it's just not my day. Like, and I mean that in the sense of like those early morning pops with no continuation. Like, yeah, that's not where my strategy or just anything. Just I just don't trade this type of price action. Um, Especially with everything, a lot of indecision right now. Um, yeah, I'm just watching. Damn, Roblox. Holy shit, man. They're triggering some serious selling right now. That's what I'm saying. Like looking at Spy and looking at Apple and Microsoft, like it just looks really, really awful. So unfortunately, all right, guys. Remember, 41.35 candle close. Yeah, if you're in weeklies and the trade isn't going your way, just cut. Don't hold. You're about to be 99% if you're 55%. Astro, what did you lose on today? Did you use weeklies? Or what were you in? Roblox? Who, me? Where's Astro at? Oh. What are you in? Oh, bro, that's not cool. Well, you're seeing a rejection. Oh my god, Roblox is still dumping. So what happened though, dude? When did you? What brokerage are you on right now, Astro? I just want to know so I can kind of get an idea. I just saw what you typed about plug. Thinkorswim. Maybe I was just reading the comments right there. So like maybe maybe you just need to start to like, and maybe a break is okay. That happens. I've had to do it too. But like rethinking whatever it is, if you're day trading or scalping, maybe you need to look into less exposure to the market and look at swing trading, where you can hedge yourself, buy and sell the next day. Um, Often it's just people can't stick to that usually because they get tempted by the market volatility. But like if volatility is what's burning you, then swing. That was the way that I built every small account, because small accounts can't handle a lot of exposure to a volatile market without being extremely modest. And because one, you can't buy 10, 20 contracts. You can't, like, and if you were to hit a certain price mark where you could, it's still probably too soon. And you probably don't need to be buying really expensive contracts. And given the fact, so let me just teach you something about like earnings and stuff like that. For the most part, if we have good earnings, especially with Nvidia's earnings, you would have seen a much more extended move. So me TPing and everybody else TPing calls, I was watching for Nvidia to make its way like and clear, and there was so much weakness in Nvidia that people who were in the calls were TPing, profit taking was happening, and then the market conditions in general were not allowing for Nvidia to make any type of extended move to the upside. So I'm not able to swing because of my college class schedule. I have class on Tuesdays, Thursdays from market open till 11 o'clock at night. Boring stock options, definitely a non. That's a really good strat. Like if you're playing a stock that is extremely volatile or is just newly taking off a firm, like people will make a ton of money on that stuff, but like that's what like Roblox, period. Nvidia still, right? Like in after earnings is going to be really, really, really volatile. Um, so sticking with less volatile. Oh, nice. Hell yeah, good job. Sony is a great one to learn. Sony is absolutely, and again, I don't know if you guys remember me calling out a price target on Sony. My target was 125. And if you guys, it's stopped out right now. Can't break 125's level right now. So the reason that I like Sony is because it's not volatile. It doesn't move like it only moves in after hours. I've swung Sony weeklies, which you can do, right? That is the only permissible weekly swings up until around Wednesday, which you don't want to swing them after Wednesday. But even just going next week's contracts, like Sony will make most of its moves in after hours. And so gapping up from 113 to 114 is $1 move, and then the whole day you push to 115.64. So Sony is just a fun stock for even just going long and holding. So I personally I would much rather be swing trading than day trading. I would much rather be capitalizing off of momentum moves and be able to watch the first 10 minutes and take profit, right? Because if I'm swinging into momentum or swinging into a catalyst or whatever the case may be, I'm looking for, continuation. Plug is about to go clear this low, guys. What does QCOM look like for support and resistances? I think one of the stocks that I really like to play. Oh wow, yeah, looks interesting. It's kind of crappy volume. Yo, CVS though, damn. I'm watching it. It's kind of moving. HD's moving. I don't know, guys. I'm kind of bored with today's price action. Macy's trying to go, but I'm likely gonna go and step off. So stuck in the dog water apple trade. I would I maybe just best to get out. These are not there's HD certain sectors moving, but CVS stuff like that, DE, but I'm not in them, so yeah, DE looks okay. You could actually see, oh, it's going into earnings. Makes sense. What do we have earnings wise? All right. Well, looks like Roblox is getting a bounce, but it's probably just a damn near dead cat bounce. It just tapped the level. Past level I said 125. That's freaking nuts. All right. Guys, I'm gonna go ahead and hop off for a little whiles. I'll talk to you guys in just a minute. I got a couple of things I gotta go ahead and do, some one-on-ones and stuff like that. So um I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. So you guys have a good day. Um yeah, no problem. A little weird day, but all right, guys. See you later. Peace out. All right.